Hello viewers, welcome to this video. Viewers, in this video I'm going to share with you 5 English names of diseases. So without further delay, let's see. Number 1, weak. Weak means durable. Weak means durable. Number 2, vomit. Vomit means bony. Vomit means bony. Number 3, chicken pox. Chicken pox means pox. Chicken pox means pox or জলবসন্ত. Number 4, disease. Disease means rog. Disease means rog. Number 5, diarrhea. Diarrhea means পেট খারাপ, or we can say পাতলা পায়খানা হওয়া. Diarrhea means পেট খারাপ. Okay viewers, keep memorizing and waiting for the next video. Bye.